Hi, this is Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems. So today we have our flexible vise. Very popular vise. It's great for holding irregular shapes. You can put any configuration of shape into the vise. So this is basically half of the vise, but we sell them like this because some people use them as actually fixtures for like a CMM application or other things just to actually nest parts. There's 5mm pins and they have a 20mm stroke. So they actually, all the pins that form the jaws of the vise move up and down over the 20mm stroke. For this particular application, customer bought the flexible vise, this part, but there's two of them that come together like a self-centering vise, but only with a flexible pin jaws on both sides. So in this particular case, sold the customer the vise, he loved it, it was working good, but he was having a small issue. Picture this vise on both sides coming together, and he had a round tube that he's trying to hold. Well, there's a lot of force coming in on his round tube, so it's kind of slipping a little bit in the vise. So he said, can we make the pins have a little more grip on them so it holds my round tube after they come together? I said, sure. So we had an idea. We're actually taking an electrode. So for those of you who are not familiar with the EDM process, basically you take an electrode, which is kind of like pencil lead. It's a piece of graphite, and we send electricity through the electrode and you can burn shapes into the steel. Usually it's done in injection molding. We'll burn ribs or other complex geometry or sharp corners that you can't conventionally machine. We will actually take electricity, whatever shape is on the carbon, we will burn it into the steel. So I thought for this particular customer, I said, hey, I think Rapid Holding Systems can help you. I got a great idea. So what we did is we took the graphite and we took the CAD geometry, we created it for the heads of the pins on the vise. We cut those into a piece of graphite, and now we took the graphite, putting it on the machine, and we're burning the heads of the pins. Now by burning the heads of the pins, we're gonna leave a rough EDM finish, and by leaving a rough EDM finish, I'm hoping that that'll be enough. When the pins come together, instead of having a smooth head, they'll have a rough head from the EDM finish. The roughness will be like two pieces of sandpaper coming together, and I'm hoping they sandwich his part so his tube doesn't slip anymore. So we're just basically, with the electrode and the EDM process, leaving a rough finish, we're creating a really good grip like a piece of sandpaper would for his vise. So just another application. The actual vise itself, pins move and take shape of whatever the part is, but just another way of us thinking outside the box to try and help our customers. If you like this content or our video, feel free to share, subscribe below. Love to produce more content for you guys. You can like and share. Thank you.